Most people don't realize it. Chewing only on one side. You're training your jaw unevenly. One side stronger, other weaker. Over years, that side becomes stronger and more defined, while the other lags. The result is facial asymmetry. Symmetry is one of the biggest signals of attractiveness. Even a small imbalance makes your face look off. The fix: start chewing evenly. Switch sides every few minutes. Train yourself to use both sides, plus mewing, tongue posture, for better jaw symmetry. Habit 5. Slouching doesn't just make you look shorter, it also ruins your overall vibe. Rounded shoulders, forward head, and a bent back instantly make you look weaker and less confident. Even if you have a sharp face, bad posture can make you look unattractive. Studies show posture is a major factor in first impressions. People associate upright posture with confidence, health, and dominance. The fix: strengthen your back and core. Do pull-ups, rows, planks, and deadlifts. Practice standing with shoulders back and chest slightly out. Imagine a string pulling your head upwards. Within weeks, you'll look taller, more confident, and instantly more attractive. Bonus: good posture also prevents neck fat and double chins from forming. Habit 6. High stress. Stress isn't just mental, it shows on your face. High stress boosts cholesterol, and cholesterol does 3 ugly things. It increases belly fat, breaks out your skin, and lowers testosterone. That's why during exam season or tough times, you look more tired, get more pimples, and lose your natural energy. Long-term stress literally accelerates aging. The fix: you can't eliminate stress completely, but you can manage it. Exercise regularly. It lowers cholesterol naturally. Practice meditation or deep breathing. Go outside for walks and get sunlight. It resets your mood instantly. Most importantly, give yourself recovery time. When your mind is calm, your face looks fresh, your skin clears up, and your body language improves. Habit 7. Blaming genetics. This is the worst habit of them all. So many guys look in the mirror, see flaws, and instantly say, "It's genetics, I can't change it." That mindset keeps you stuck forever. Yes, genetics set your base, but lifestyle decides how far you go. Think about it. 2 brothers with the same genes can look completely different depending on how they eat, train, and live. The fix: stop blaming, start improving. Work on your diet, your fitness, your grooming, and your sleep. Upgrade your hairstyle and style of clothes. Fix small things like posture, skincare, and eyebrows. Most of those guys didn't change their DNA. They changed their habits, and you can too.